Summer is the perfect time to step up your game and work on your appearance. Whether you're looking to impress your crush or just feel more confident in your own skin, these tips will help you achieve your glow-up goals. Tip number 1. Get your skincare routine in order. Invest in a good cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen to keep your skin looking fresh and healthy. Don't forget to exfoliate once a week to remove dead skin cells and unclog your pores. Tip number 2. Focus on your fitness. Hit the gym or start a home workout routine to get in shape for summer. Not only will you look better, but you'll also feel more energized and confident. Tip number 3. Update your wardrobe. It's time to ditch those old t-shirts and cargo shorts and invest in some stylish summer clothes. Go for bright colors, lightweight fabrics, and on-trend accessories like sunglasses and hats. Tip number 4. Pay attention to your hair. Get a fresh haircut that suits your face shape and personal style. Don't forget to use hair products like gel or wax to keep your hair looking sharp all day long. Tip number 5. Practice good hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day, floss regularly, and use mouthwash to keep your breath fresh. Shower daily and use deodorant to stay smelling great. And there you have it, guys. 5 easy tips to help you glow up this summer. Remember, the most important thing is to be confident in yourself and your appearance. So go out there and show off your new and improved self.